It's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and we are here to take care of my money from my summer job. And there is $180 that we are working with. I have counted this up many times because I did a bill condensing off camera. So let's go ahead and get started. I did figure out what I was doing with it. Okay. So in my payback from the money that I borrowed, I made some more decisions on that. So I have car maintenance. I have scratched that out. We're just going to carry on with where we're at. We're not repaying that back. We're just going to go on. And that means that the only thing I have left to finish funding is the rest of my Fix-It fund. Let me go get that binder. It is not in here. So from the Fix-It fund, I owe it $47. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 6, and 7. Go ahead and open that binder up. Okay, so right, so that leaves a total in here 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100, which is what my sheet says it should be. So we are back on track with everything we were paying back. I am going to mark that off. So we are 100% done paying off everything we were going to pay back at its end version. It's just what it is. So from here, we are pulling out, if I can get stuff put where it needs to go. So from here, I am going to pull out, maybe that'll be better. This, if you saw my wallet closeout, you saw that I pulled some money out of the weekly budget and set it aside. I'm taking that back out now. It is Thursday, I believe. So it's the end of the week. I did not need to pull into this. So what I am going to do, I am pulling out $20. I'm going to put that in gas, not cash, in gas for this next week. And the rest of it is going into here because I have a couple of things that I would like to do today. So we're going to go ahead and do those. Next thing I'm going to pull out is my 26-week savings challenge. And we are going to work on this. So I'm going to pull this out. Excuse me. We are going to put in $20. And then we are also going to put in 19, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, from there we can do 17, so 10, 15, 16, 17. Right, 17. All right, Next one is 15, 10, 15. Right, and from this, do 14, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right, and then we can do 13 too. We're gonna do as many as we can with what we have. I think we should be able to finish it, but I'm not positive. 12, 13. I didn't make a final calculation when I was figuring out what I was doing. I had to go back to work. It was at lunch. Okay, so we can do 12, 10, 11, and 12. Right. And I believe we can do 11 as well. 5, 10, 11. Right. All right, so the next one we can do is 9. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, we should be able to do 7. So 5, 6, 7. Right, from there, we'll do 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, and then we'll do 4. That's the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that makes me happy. It's 4, right? Yes. Yeah, it was 4. All right, so that actually completes my 26-week challenge. I had decided I needed it off of my desk. I needed my focus to go to other things in the future for the rest of this year. So that is paid off, or that is completed, and that is huge. I will unstuff this in a different video, but for today that is completed. All right, what did we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17 left. And oh, that was loud, my apologies. I am going to do a penny challenge update with what is left over, because I can and I want to. All right, so $17. Let's go ahead and pull out the calculator and get my tracker. We are working with $17. Let me zoom you in a little bit, if it will let me. maybe this will help. Okay, so now the camera is shaky. All right, so we are going to start with, is it 17? Okay, minus 354. Minus 3.53. Minus 3.52. Minus 3.51. All right. We are doing pretty good. So 290 is still open, so we will fill that in. And that will be the grand total of all the money from this summer job paycheck. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for being here with me and going along this journey. Until the next time, bye.